Immigration Assistance Center is a non-lawyer alternative for filing various immigration applications. We also do translations from various languages into English. We provide notary services. This agency serves the entire Southwest Florida region. Our fees are very affordable. We take into consideration the fact that people who are seeking immigration benefits would like to deal with an agency with individuals who know what they are doing. The fees are also cost effective. IAC was established in March 2008 to help those who cannot afford thousands of dollars for preparation fees. We have served scores of individuals who are now United States citizens or permanent residents. Our phone number is 941-255-9740. Located at 3480 Depew Circle off of Elmira Boulevard in Port Charlotte, Florida. Our board of directors consists of Cleveland Bloomfield, Craig Mapp, Marcia Bloomfield, and Shemenda Sawyer.